Welcome to DIY Kitchens, the largest online supplier of kitchens in the UK. We hope you find your kitchen design journey with us enjoyable and exciting. However, before you start exploring our website and showrooms, we'd like to take a moment to introduce ourselves and what sets us apart from other kitchen suppliers. DIY Kitchens is a family-run business with a rich history of manufacturing high-specification kitchens since 1980. What began with supplying single kitchens has now evolved into a vast enterprise spread across 16 sites in Yorkshire, covering over 650,000 square feet of manufacturing capacity. To put that into perspective, it's equivalent of about 750 average-size houses. Through continuous investment, we've developed some of the most advanced manufacturing and assembly lines in Europe, allowing us to produce exceptional quality kitchen units right here in the UK. When we say we do kitchens, we mean it. We're kitchen obsessed, from cutting and edging panels to assembling units and delivering direct to your door. It's a recipe that works again and again. We also paint doors, lots of doors, and here comes the best part. We will paint them in any colour you can imagine. Seriously, if you want your kitchen doors to match the colour of your favourite cushion, we've got you covered. All our kitchen units are supplied pre-assembled, with doors, drawers and accessories pre-fitted, saving you both time and money when it comes to installation. What sets us apart from other suppliers is that we think you know better than anyone about what you want in your new kitchen. That's why you can take control of your kitchen design. With our user-friendly and free online planner, you can take all the time you need, in the comfort of your own home, to craft the kitchen of your dreams. We pride ourselves on transparency, especially when it comes to prices. With DIY Kitchens, you can keep full control of your budget by seeing the price of every unit, door and accessory that you add into your kitchen design. There are no hidden costs or customer-specific discounts, just plain and simple honest prices. Not only does this unique approach provide you with the freedom to design and a certainty on price, but it can also save you thousands compared to other high street retailers. To put it simply, you design, we deliver. Our stunning showrooms located in West Yorkshire and Oxford have 60 full-sized kitchen displays in each, and we're confident you'll find a style, colour and design that perfectly aligns with your taste and budget. At DIY Kitchens, you won't experience any pushy sales tactics. There's no rush, and we want you to feel totally relaxed as you browse our full-size displays. Feel free to connect to our complimentary Wi-Fi, or as we call it, our DIY-Fi, while you enjoy some complimentary refreshments. Please note that we do not provide any in-showroom design service, but our staff are more than happy to offer advice about all products available from DIY Kitchens. To help you decide on which door, style and colour, make sure you take advantage of our 3 free sample door service. As you explore the website and our showrooms, make a note of the doors and colours you're interested in and order up to 3 free sample doors via the website, with only a small delivery charge to pay. This way, you can see the doors and colours in your own home and at different times of the day, helping you make the perfect decision. Thank you for considering DIY Kitchens. We sincerely hope you enjoy feeling inspired to create the kitchen you've always dreamed of at a fraction of the price from other kitchen retailers. If you haven't already done so, why not head over to our free online planner and start designing?